So I wasn't here yesterday because I filmed another morning show. And
Appreciate it for that.
Yes, thank you. And I took a nap yesterday afternoon, woke up, it was probably like, I don't know, 6 o'clock, and it was still light outside. I was so confused though.
Yeah.
I was like, oh my gosh, what time is it? Is it tomorrow?
What a pleasant surprise.
I know.
It is funny, like, 'cause the weekend he's cut you whatever. Like, Brian Nicone and I were walking out of the building yesterday after the show, and we're like, hey, it's light out.
It makes such a difference.
Yeah, big time.
He got real scared when I said his name. Turned around fast.
Just talking about you, buddy.
Live on television,
No,
you're worried about what might come out of his mouth.
It's nice.
Don't worry, Brian, I do the same thing.
It's great.
You just don't know.
I'm so scared. It is nice, and it's one of those things, you know, I almost feel like, do you guys agree with this? This year, the winter was so not fierce that it wasn't as exciting as it sometimes could be. You know what I mean?
I
Like,
get that.
sometimes it's snowing still,
Yeah.
and you're like, oh, okay, but we get that hour of daylight. This felt like appropriate.
Yeah.
Yes, it's springish. Now we get that
Overdue,
hour
right?
of daylight. Yeah. 48 in Portland today, 43 in Bangor, 43 in Waterville. Winds, still kind of a pain out there. Northwest, 30 to 35 miles an hour. Portland gusted to 39 miles an hour last hour. The winds will settle later tonight, and tomorrow we should be able to get rid of them. They're still actually from our storm on Saturday night, Sunday. That storm had a big, what we call pressure gradient between that storm and the incoming high. So we've got a few clouds over down East Maine. Most of us will be clear tonight. Temperatures drop down to about 30 on average, 20s into the mountains. And then tomorrow I think is a nicer day than today just because we don't have the winds to contend with, and it's a little bit warmer too. I think this particular model is actually too cool, keeping us in the upper 40s. I'll take the over on these numbers. I think we'll be in the low 50s tomorrow afternoon. It'll be really pleasant. There will be some clouds over western Maine later in the day, say 2, 3, 4 o'clock. And then moving in, so we may cloud up later in the day, but I still think it's a really nice day. Isolated rain and snow shower tomorrow night and into Thursday, but this little disturbance seems to have less and less juice with it every time I look at it, so less moisture. So I think we should be able to get into the upper 40s on Thursday, despite what'll be a mostly cloudy sky cover. There's just not that many showers around. So there's that little disturbance coming through Wednesday night, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Those are the tough forecast days. Yesterday, both models had, rain Friday night, changing over to some snow in the mountains and foothills on Saturday. But now they've diverged. The European model doesn't phase the energy, gives us actually quite a nice Saturday. The GFS model sticks with the original plan, which gives us some snow inland and some rain. I tend to go with the Euro in these situations, especially when it's consistent from one run to another, as it's done 2 times now. So I think we're going to be able to get Saturday in, but the price we're going to pay is that first piece of energy has to come through on Friday. So southern Maine will see showers, if not rain, on Friday through the first half of the day at least, and then we clear out for Saturday. We might be able to get in the low 50s on Saturday, though, if everything plays out just right. So I think that's a decent trade, for most of us at least. A little rain on Friday for some sun on Saturday. Back to showers, if not rain, on Sunday, which leads me to, guys, I've gotten this email a bunch of times, and I should respond to it. People want to know, hey, how much snow would we have gotten this year if all the rain was snow?
Yeah.
The problem with that, and this is very nerdy, is that's not really how it works. Like, as the atmosphere is warmer, we can hold more moisture. So we wouldn't have gotten, 5 inches of rain last week, wouldn't have been 50 inches of snow.
Apples and oranges.
Yeah. But I get the point. We've had a lot of moisture. It just hasn't fallen in that. Form. Yeah.
Good question, though.
Yeah, and I've gotten it a few times, and I get why people ask it. It's just not a fair comparison.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thanks for nerding out with us. We appreciate it. Thanks.